You notice that a new student in your class, Noah, has a peculiar odor that makes you wonder if he has poor personal hygiene habits. You also begin to notice that other students are excluding him during group activities and avoid sitting by him during class. This is causing a major problem when you assign group work, since Noah always ends up turning in separate assignment than the rest of the group. Then one day you hear a student call Noah a degrading name because of the smell. Other students join in and cause a disruption in your class. You have had many students come up and complain, saying the smell is distracting them from their work. As the teacher, you need to decide what to do to stop the bullying in class and find out why Noah has the peculiar odor. Noah's cultural background could affect his smell, such as not having access to warm water, soap, or clean clothing, or how cultural cooking produces smells that the majority of students are not familiar with, or not having proper examples from his parents when it comes to hygiene. Other cultural aspects that contribute or may be a deciding factor for poor hygiene are his religion. In any religious belief, whether it be Christianity, Buddhism, Islam, Judaism, or any other religion, there are always certain customs or rituals that go along with that specific belief, and for all we know, not bathing and keeping up with hygiene may be a part of this custom. Also, some religions burn incense, which could have a unique odor to it that may come across as unpleasant. Another cultural aspect may be ethnicity. People of different races typically have a different way of living because they originate from different parts of the world, and especially with Noah's family, personal hygiene may not be deemed as culturally important. Another cultural aspect may be the difference in food. Dependent upon one's culture, people grow up eating different foods. Particularly, certain spices and different kinds of meats can develop unique odors, which may cause people to smell as well when they develop. Noah's odor could have medical causes, such as primary or secondary hyperhidrosis. Primary hyperhidrosis is when the nerves responsible for triggering sweat glands are overactive. Secondary hyperhidrosis is caused from a specific medical condition like scurvy, leukemia, malaria, HIV or AIDS, hyperthyroidism. The sweating could also be a side effect to particular medications. Some disabilities, such as depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, can cause adults and children alike to not care about their hygiene, such as being defiant and refusing to shower, brush teeth, wear deodorant, or comb hair. Also, a lack of self-worth or motivation can cause problems in proper hygiene. Additionally, when a child has mental disabilities such as ADHD or Down syndrome, their size and strength can make it very difficult for their caretakers to bath and groom them.